In the pre-dawn stillness of South Texas, a sense of anticipation hung in the air. The vast, open landscape around SpaceX's Starbase was quiet, save for the distant hum of machinery and the soft glow of floodlights illuminating the launch complex. This was a place where history was being written, one test at a time. On November 21, 2025, that sense of anticipation turned to shock. In a single violent moment, SpaceX's future was violently reshaped. The world watched as the company's bold ambitions collided with the harsh realities of rocket engineering. At Starbase, a catastrophic failure ripped through Super Heavy Booster 18 during a ground test. The booster, towering and powerful, was meant to be a stepping stone toward Mars. Instead, it became a cautionary tale. An explosive gas release tore a gaping hole in the booster's lower section, turning the once pristine structure into a mangled wreck of twisted metal and scorched steel. The force of the blast was enough to scatter debris across the pad, leaving behind a scene of devastation. The deep, thunderous boom echoed for miles across the Rio Grande Delta, a stark reminder of the immense energies at play. Residents in nearby towns felt the shockwave, and social media lit up with reports of the explosion. The incident rattled confidence and cast a long shadow over SpaceX's ambitious timeline. Engineers and technicians, who had poured months of effort into the booster, watched in disbelief as their work was reduced to rubble in seconds. The loss was profound. Months of painstaking engineering, design, and assembly, gone in the blink of an eye. The setback was not just technical, but deeply personal for the teams involved. For the teams on the ground, the sight was deeply demoralizing. The emotional toll was visible on the faces of those who had dedicated themselves to the project, now forced to confront the reality of failure. Thankfully, no one was harmed in the blast, a testament to the rigorous safety protocols in place. But the psychological impact was undeniable, leaving many to question what would come next. This was a critical piece of hardware, essential for validating the next leap in Starship's design. Its destruction meant that months of data, testing and progress had to be re-evaluated, and, in many cases, started anew. Its sudden demise forced SpaceX to confront the unforgiving physics of rocketry and rethink their approach. Every failure, though painful, is a lesson, one that would shape the next steps in their journey. The explosion was a brutal reminder. In the quest to build city-sized rockets and reach for the stars, the line between success and failure is razor thin. The margin for error is almost non-existent. The decision SpaceX made next would define the next chapter of the Starship saga, setting the stage for either renewed determination or a fundamental shift in strategy. The world waited to see how SpaceX would rise from the ashes of this Texas explosion. In the aftermath of the explosion, a lesser organization might have paused for months, paralyzed by the setback and uncertainty. But SpaceX did the opposite. Instead of retreating, they leaned into the challenge, using failure as a springboard for innovation and progress. Elon Musk's philosophy of rapid iteration turned the explosion into a catalyst for change. He encouraged his team to embrace risk, learn quickly, and never let fear of failure slow them down. For Musk, every setback was simply another data point on the path to success. The decision was made, not just to rebuild what was lost, but to completely rethink the entire production strategy from the ground up. The team asked themselves, how could they make Starship better, faster, and more reliable? Starship couldn't just be built as a one-off prototype. It had to be mass-produced, like cars on an assembly line. This required a fundamental shift in mindset, from crafting individual rockets to designing a process that could churn out vehicles at unprecedented speed. This marked the true birth of Starship version 3, a vehicle engineered not only for performance but for manufacturability and rapid turnaround. Every design choice was now filtered through the lens of scalability. The goal was clear: build boosters so quickly and efficiently that losing one would barely slow progress. The team envisioned a future where rockets could be replaced as easily as parts on a factory floor. Every component, weld, and process was scrutinized for speed and simplicity. Complex parts were redesigned from scratch, unnecessary steps were eliminated. The focus was on making every aspect of the rocket easier to build and maintain. Delicate systems became modular and plug-and-play, allowing for quick swaps and upgrades. This modularity meant that repairs and improvements could happen in days, not weeks. The focus shifted from crafting a handful of prototypes to establishing a high-throughput production system where automation and efficiency reigned supreme. The pain of loss became fuel for a new industrial doctrine. Every failure was dissected, every lesson learned was immediately applied to the next iteration. SpaceX was now building not just rockets, but a resilient, self-correcting system for colonizing space, one that could adapt, improve, and thrive in the face of adversity. Starship V3's new philosophy led to bold engineering changes. External gas manifolds replaced internal ones, making installation and repairs far easier. The fully reusable, integrated hot staging ring became a permanent, robust part of the booster. Oversized grid fins, streamlined recovery and reuse, turning complex procedures into routine operations. The Raptor 3 engine was radically simplified for industrial speed production, multiple engines per day. These changes worked together, transforming Starbase into a true rocket factory. Each improvement removed bottlenecks and reduced build time. Starship V3 became not just a rocket, but a machine designed for the factory floor. The real test of mass production came on the bustling factory floor, where every second counted. Booster 19 rose from stacks of steel rings to a fully assembled vehicle in just weeks, not months, showcasing remarkable efficiency. Externalized systems and modular components proved their worth, enabling record assembly speed and streamlining the entire process. Ship 39 passed aggressive cryogenic tests, further validating the rapid manufacturing approach and its reliability. Ground systems, and Pad 2, reached new levels of readiness, boosting launch cadence and supporting faster turnaround. Raptor 3 engines rolled out at an accelerating rate, eliminating bottlenecks and driving production forward. The loss of Booster 18 unlocked a higher gear of productivity, pushing the team to innovate even faster. The 12th integrated flight test was now an imminent reality, marking a new chapter in rapid spaceflight development. Booster 19 and Ship 39 are nearly ready for Starship Flight 12, a mission loaded with expectation and pressure. The world is watching as SpaceX prepares for one of its most ambitious launches yet, a pivotal moment not just for the company, but for the future of lunar exploration. This is the first orbital attempt of the mass-produced Starship V3, representing a major leap forward in SpaceX's evolving strategy. The V3 is designed for rapid production and reusability, aiming to make spaceflight more routine and affordable than ever before. Success here would prove that SpaceX can not only build rockets at scale, but also launch them quickly and reliably. It's a test of both engineering and logistics, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in modern rocketry. NASA is watching closely. Artemis depends on Starship for lunar landings. The agency's hopes for returning humans to the moon rest on SpaceX's ability to deliver, making this flight a critical milestone for both organizations. The destruction of Booster 18 added pressure to an already tight schedule, serving as a stark reminder of the risks involved. Every setback is costly, not just in time and resources, but in public confidence as well. Flight 12 is essential for restoring confidence and keeping lunar ambitions on track. The mission's outcome will influence timelines, funding, and the very momentum of the Artemis program. Before landing humans on the moon, Starship must master in-orbit propellant transfer, a feat never attempted at this scale. This technology is crucial for deep space missions, enabling spacecraft to refuel and travel farther than ever before. Each successful flight is a step toward the Artemis crewed lunar mission, now targeted for 2028. Every test, every launch, brings NASA and SpaceX closer to making lunar exploration a reality for a new generation. Every launch is a high-stakes demonstration, with national prestige and the future of space exploration on the line. The world's eyes are on Boca Chica, where history is being written with every ignition and liftoff. As Booster 19 prepares for launch, it carries the full weight of NASA's lunar ambitions and the hopes of all those who dream of humanity's return to the moon. SpaceX isn't alone in the race to space. China's space program is advancing rapidly, expanding satellite constellations and heavy lift capabilities. The race to the moon and Mars is now a multipolar competition. Blue Origin's New Glenn has proven its technology and is scaling up to compete directly with Starship. Domestic rivalry adds urgency as both companies vie for contracts and launches. Every delay is a chance for rivals to close the gap. SpaceX's dominance is now challenged on multiple fronts. The shift to mass production is a direct response, aiming to outproduce and outlaunch all competitors. Starbase's factories are building not just rockets, but a competitive moat in the skies. Starship V3's story is one of resilience, failure as fuel for innovation. SpaceX's approach: fly, fail, fix, fast. Each failure is a lesson, not a defeat. Rapid iteration allows unmatched learning and improvement. Designing for manufacturability makes the program robust. Losing a vehicle is a manageable setback. This resilience is key to establishing a permanent human presence on the Moon and Mars. The journey will have more setbacks, but the system is built to adapt and improve. SpaceX's learning machine gets smarter with every launch, perfect or explosive. Falcon 9 slashed launch costs. Starship aims to cut them even further. The speed of recovery after Booster 18 signals a new era. Continuous, expanding presence beyond Earth. The future of spaceflight is being forged in the fires of failure and rebuilt stronger on the factory floor.